That is my discovery apple, where on which I have grafted various varieties. That is one of the grafts. The giant is a bit difficult to spot at the minute, or to see which method was used. On its other branch, that is side graft, it has grown, and I had cut the top 1 inch which had died, so the grafting giant is still visible. The shoots have grown about 2 feet tall, and that grafting was done last year on 31st of August. On the other branch, that is saddle graft, it has healed nicely, and maybe in another few months it will be difficult to spot the grafting giant. It has grown about 2 feet tall shoots, 3 different branches on each of the graft. The next branch, it is the same variety, but that is the grafting giant, saddle graft. That was the method I used for that graft. That is saddle graft as well, and they were done on 7th of September 2014, a year back, and they both have grown about 3-4 branches on both of them. Each branch has grown about 2 feet in length. I had 2 different grafts from Stephen Hayes, which I grafted over here. That is the grafting giant, and I thought I put the label on, but I have lost the labels. That's one variety. Graft has healed, grown. That is the other variety. I had cut the main branch, which gave me quite a lot of fruit this year. On the other branch, I had cut and reduced the discovery variety, and I grafted on 2nd of September 2015. One is a Cox Pippin orange, and the other one those dark red nice apples from my brother's garden. I still have some discovery apples still left in the box, and that is my share of discovery apples. I have given some discovery apples to my brother and his children and their families, and some discovery apples to one of my neighbors as well.